the ebirr application. First, you should select the user type. We have two options, merchant and cashier. So we select merchant. Then we select currency, Ethiopian birr. Next, we enter our username, which is our cell phone number, which starts with 251. Next, we will insert our password. Then we will sign in. So after we log into the merchant application, this is the merchant dashboard. So the first one is the credit. So we can find our credit balance on the provided place. We can print our daily summary by touching this icon. This is the total credit, our daily sales. This is our total debit, our daily cash out. This is the amount of total transaction that we make out the whole day. This is our mini statement activity. So we can print a single transaction by touching the first icon. So in order to print the single transaction, we need to check the transaction details. For example, if you want to print the single transaction, we will touch this icon. Then we can easily print by touching this icon. Let's see the banking services. So on the banking services, we have so many options. The first one is we can check our credit still. There is a balance query, which we can view our balance query. Ebirr to bank, we can link our wallet to our banks. Then we can transfer money from our Ebirr wallet to our bank account. Bank to Ebirr, from our coopay account to our wallet. Ebirr to other banks, we can easily transfer money from our Ebirr account to different banks that work with us. So we will select the bank options from here. Then we will write our bank account number. Then we will verify by touching this verify icon. Then we will insert the amount. Finally, we insert the description. Then we will transfer. Account to account, we can easily transfer money from our coopay account to different coopay accounts. Money, search transfer. We can easily see our transaction by inserting transfer ID. Merchant fund transfer, we can easily transfer money to another merchant. Customer fund transfer, we can easily transfer money from merchant account to customer account. Withdraw money, we can easily cash out money from our merchant account. New local transfer, we can easily transfer money from our merchant account to those who didn't have the Ebirr account. Cashier option, merchant can easily control his account by creating cashiers. So move float from cashier, merchant can easily float money from cashier account to his own account. Move float to cashier, merchant can easily transfer money from merchant account to cashier account. Cashier balance, merchant can easily access the cashier balance. Airtime option, we can easily top up our mobile card. Friend recharge, we can transfer card to our friends. Friend recharge, merchant can easily transfer card to his customers, friends, families, relatives. Thank you.